Salut à tous. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les articles définis et articles indéfinis en français. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn definite articles and indefinite articles in French. So let's start. Just like English, in French we do have two articles. First one is definite and second one is indefinite. So we are starting with the definite articles, and we do have four categories of definite articles. First is le, la, le and l'. Le is used with masculine singular. La is used with feminine singular. Le is used with plural feminine masculine. L' is used with vowels only. So first of all, we get to know about article definite, which are always placed in front of the noun. In front of the noun. Le copain. Le copain is the friend. This is article definite and this is the noun. The particular word is noun. Friend. The meaning of this word is friend. And la fille. La fille. Again, fille. The word fille is noun. The meaning of this word is girl. The girl. Les garçons. Les garçons. Garçon. The meaning of garçon is boys. Again, the particular word is noun. And last one is l'. Long. Long. The meaning of this word is man. The man. The particular word is noun. That is why we say the definite articles and indefinite articles are always placed before the noun. So I am giving few examples of le, that is masculine singular. The meaning of le is the in English. Le copain. Le copain. The meaning of this whole word is friend or mate. This particular word is masculine, that is why we write le. And the second example is le garçon. Garçon, the meaning of garçon is boy. I have already written here. This particular word is masculine, that is why we write le in front of the garçon. And the third one is le chocolat. Le chocolat. The particular chocolate word is masculine in French, that is why we write le in front of the chocolat. Now I am giving the example of feminine singular, that is la. The meaning of la is the. La copain. La copain. पहले जो मैंने लिखा था le copain, that is for masculine. अगर हम इसको फेमिनिन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो वी जस्ट एड अप एक्स्ट्रा ई. वी जस्ट एड अप एक्स्ट्रा ई. copain. But pronunciation is copain. That is female friend or mate. La fille. La fille. La fille is the particular meaning of this word is girl. La classe. La classe. The meaning of this word is ice cream. Ice cream. Copain, fille, class. The all words are feminine. That is why we write la in front of these words. Now I am giving the example of plural, masculine and feminine. Plural के लिए we use les. Les. Les copain. Les copain. We just add up s with masculine plural. Masculine में इसकी स्पेलिंग थी n के साथ end हो रही थी स्पेलिंग, बट इसको masculine plural बनाने के लिए we add a s. Just like feminine. फेमिनिन में इसकी स्पेलिंग एंड हो रही थी ई पे, हमने बस एस एड अप करके इसको फेमिनिन प्लूरल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. ले copain. ले copain. ले copain. The next one is ले fille. ले fille. फेमिनिन में इसकी स्पेलिंग एंड हो रही थी, फेमिनिन सिंगुलर में इसकी स्पेलिंग एंड हो रही थी ई से. अब फेमिनिन प्लूरल में इसकी स्पेलिंग हो गई एस एस के साथ इसकी स्पेलिंग आएंगी, दैट इज FILLES. वी जस्ट एड अप एस. ले गार्सों, मैस्कुलिन सिंगुलर में इसकी स्पेलिंग थी, एन के साथ स्पेलिंग एंड हो रही थी, वी जस्ट एड अप एस फॉर मेकिंग इट मैस्कुलिन प्लूरल. एस एड अप कर दिया तो ये बन गया द बॉयज एंड फील इज द गर्ल्स. कमिंग ऑन L apostrophe, I have already told you L apostrophe हमेशा जब लगता है जब कोई vowel होता है. So I am giving you few examples. Long, the pronunciation of this word is long. The man, H, we consider H as a vowel in French, that is why we write L apostrophe. H is the vowel in French. L apostrophe. The man, l'horloge. The wall clock, l'horloge. L'école is the school. E is the vowel, that is why we write L apostrophe. H is the vowel, that is why we write L apostrophe. And again H is the vowel, that is why we write L apostrophe. So now we are covering up article indéfini, that is indefinite articles. So just like definite articles, in indefinite articles there are three categories. First one is is used with masculine singular. Second one is yun, that is feminine singular, and they is with plural feminine or masculine. So let's see the examples. Un garçon. Why I have wrote in front of the garçon? Because garçon is the masculine. क्योंकि garçon जो word है वो masculine word है, that is why we write in front of the garçon. Another example is chocolat. I have already told you that the particular word chocolate is masculine in French. We consider it as a masculine noun, that is why we write chocolat. Now I am giving the example of feminine singular, that is une fille is a girl. Une compagne is a friend. They feel. Some girls, the meaning of they is some girls. They garçon is some boys. In plural, feminine, masculine, I have added up s in front of the particular noun. The spelling of feel is FILLE. Now I add up s in front of the feel. Just like feel, I wrote garçon. Masculine में इसकी स्पेलिंग होती है GARCON में स्पेलिंग एंड हो जाती है, बट इसको प्लूरल में बनाने के लिए वी जस्ट एड अप एस. और फेमिनिन को प्लूरल में बनाने के लिए हमें क्या करना होता है, उसमें भी सेम एस एड अप करना होता है.